Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi A4 front light bulb. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. Always refer to your Audi A4 owner's manual for any model-specific instructions or warnings before you begin this process. Next, open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You'll likely need to remove a plastic cover or unclip a few fasteners to gain access. Once the cover is off, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. This usually involves pressing a tab and pulling gently. Now it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your Audi A4 model, you might need to twist it counterclockwise or unclip a spring mechanism. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Secure the new bulb by twisting or clipping it back into position. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Replace any covers or clips you removed earlier, making sure everything is snug and properly sealed. Before closing the hood, turn on your car's lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Audi A4 front light bulb.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.